In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to quickly count only the rows that meet a condition, like how many tasks are complete or how many values are above a certain number. Start by opening the Smartsheet you want to analyze. Once your sheet is open, click into the cell where you want the result to appear. This is where your count will be displayed. With that cell selected, open the formula editor. You can do this by clicking into the formula bar or choosing the formula option so that the editor becomes active for that cell. Now, begin typing COUNTIF. As you type, a helper panel on the right may appear to guide you. This panel shows the function name, a short description, and the expected syntax so you can fill it in correctly. COUNTIF needs two pieces of information. First, the range of cells you want to evaluate, and second, the condition that decides which cells are counted. Inside the parentheses after COUNTIF, specify your range, then add a comma, and then your criterion. For example, to count how many statuses equal complete, you'd point to the status column for the range and use a condition of 8. Complete. In Smartsheet, text conditions go in double quotes. Numbers don't need quotes, and dates should be written in a date-friendly format or wrapped in quotes if you're comparing text dates. You can use standard comparison symbols to control your condition. Use the equals sign for exact matches, like complete. Use the not equal symbol with angle brackets, like complete, to exclude a value. For numeric comparisons, Valman counts values greater than your number, and dates counts those less than it. You can also combine symbols, such as parentheses for greater than or equal to, and issus for less than or equal to. For instance, to count scores above 80, your condition would be 880. To count anything not marked complete, use complete. Once your range and condition are in place, review the formula in the editor to make sure everything looks right. Text should be quoted, your range should cover the cells you care about, and the symbol should match the comparison you intend. When you're ready, hit apply, or simply press enter to confirm the formula. The cell will instantly show the count of rows that meet your condition. That's it. Your COUNTIF result will update automatically as your data changes, giving you a quick, reliable way to summarize your sheet without manual counting.